Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're all well. Today I've got a brand new Shein haul for you. Now I haven't filmed one of these for, I reckon it was last year. I don't think I've had anything for ages. I got a little bit wary just because of the whole coronavirus thing, and I didn't know whether we were kind of, I don't know, it might sound stupid, whether we were allowed to order from China, I don't know. But I checked out their website, all's totally fine. I am like a little bit OCD with anything I get through the post anyway, so I've chucked it all through the wash and it's been outside to dry. I'm sure it's all fine, but to my own peace of mind, I like to wash it anyway. So like I said, I haven't been on there for ages and they've got some stunning things on there. Especially some really nice bits for the summer. I don't know whether we're going to be able to get out and about, but I thought I'd pick a few bits up anyway and share them with you guys. I've got a discount code as always, so I will link it across the screen and in the description box. I just fancied a bit of a shop, so ignore this section. I've just filmed a different haul, everything £5, so if you do want to see that, I will link that in the description box. I don't know which will be up first. I've only got 7 things from Shein, so let's get crack-a-lacking. So the first thing I needed, because I've been wearing my joggers to death through lockdown, like every single day I will wear my joggers. They're covered in like paint stains from painting the fence, like food stains I can't get out. It sounds really grubby and makes me sound like a dirty person. I'm not, I promise. But anyway, yeah, long story short, I needed a new pair of grey trackies. I usually get them from Primark. They're only like £6 or £7 from Primark, but obviously we can't get there, so I hopped on over to Shein, see if they did any affordable ones, and I picked up these. I love these. They remind me of the ones that I've seen a lot of girls wearing on Instagram from Pretty Little Thing, and I think on Pretty Little Thing they're about £25 to £28, so yeah, much cheaper on Shein. And they're just the plain, kind of like the dad jogger. They've got the elasticated waist, it hasn't got a toggle or anything, and then they just go down into a cuff. I don't think I need to tell you much about a pair of grey joggers. Everyone should have a pair in their wardrobes. I find them really easy to style. I've been wearing them just with like a little crop top, check shirt if it's cold, or just a hoodie. So yeah, I picked those up. They're really, really good quality. They're probably the best quality trousers I've ever had from Shein. Do double check their sizes if you're not sure. They've got size charts on there. Just make sure you measure yourself before you do order. So yeah, just a staple. A little bit boring, sorry. Now if you haven't jumped on the tie-dye wagon, then where have you been all locked down? Seems to have just been everywhere. It's blown up. I've always really liked tie-dye, and I saw this really cute sort of just racer back tank top vest thing, whatever you want to call it. I love this style of vest. It's ribbed. I think it'll look cute with like a knot in the front, with those grey trackies or a pair of shorts, high-waisted denim jeans. The styling opportunities with just a vest are endless, aren't they? So I picked up, it's really nice quality. I haven't actually tried it on yet, so I don't know what it fits like. The camera's washing it out really bad. There we go. It's like dark green piping around the sleeves. So the next item were these. Now, I totally forgot I'd ordered these, and then I went and ordered the Adidas ones. I put these in my basket and I was like, oh yeah, I don't need to buy the Adidas ones now, because I think they were £23 to £25, the Adidas ones. And it's not that bad for a pair of shorts, I suppose, but these were like £6 on Shein, £6 or £7, and they look pretty much identical, but just with 2 stripes. They're high-waisted, they fit really nice. I love these. I do prefer my Adidas ones just because they're a bit thicker. These are quite, they're not thin that you can see like your bum through them or anything, but they're just a thinner material. Nonetheless, I love them. They've got pockets, elasticated waist. They're a little bit longer than the Adidas ones. I really like these, and for £7 you can't really go wrong. The only thing I wish that both pairs had were the drawstring, just because I like how that looks hanging down, but can't have it all, can we? Really nice pair of shorts, just for lounging about the house in, working out in. Just be good to me. I was on the hunt for little tops really, but all I live in is t-shirts and jumpers, and the weather we've been having has just been absolutely boiling, as you all know if you live in the UK. And I haven't really got any vests or little tops to wear with like my denim shorts and stuff, so picked this one up. Like the green vest, I'm loving the colour at the moment, but I just like the slogan on this one. It says Sun Goddess. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it. It's in like a mustardy colour. It's quite cropped. I don't know whether the girls will go in here, but we'll see. Oh yeah, they should do. I think it'll just look cute with a pair of denim shorts. Some flip-flops or some trainers, walk the dogs in. Nothing amazing, but just you know you need those little tops in your wardrobe, so I think it's really cute. And the quality is really nice, it's so soft. They've come a long way, Shein, I will give it to them. If you are thinking of ordering from there, you should definitely just order a few bits just to try it. 95% of the time, love what I get, so yeah, I think that's quite cute. Now this is the item I've actually worn and I'm in love with it. So it's a really oversized blue baggy shirt. I'm just obsessed with them at the moment. I love wearing them with my joggers and a little top. I don't know whether it dresses it up a little bit or just makes me look like I can't be bothered with my life. Either or, I quite like how it looks. So yeah, and I love the blue colour. So unbelievably soft. So second to last item, I got these cycling shorts. Now, I think they might be a little bit too big. I haven't tried them on, but they look quite flared, don't they? It's like a real subtle tie-dye, khaki tie-dye. I really like these. I think just with an oversized black hoodie or something, it's going to be such a shock going back into the real world and having to actually put an outfit together, because I've been living in comfies and I'm not complaining. But yeah, really nice quality, nice cotton, not see-through at all. I love these. If they are too wide, I might just run a seam and take them in a little bit. So yeah, we will see. Those were so affordable. I will link all these items in the description box like I usually do, so if you do like any of it, check it out. But yeah, they were so cheap. And then last but not least, this is a little bit way out for me. Don't really know what I was thinking, I'm not gonna lie, but got this pistachio green kind of Bardo top. Oh shit, my battery's flashing. I love it, it's so nice, really floaty. Again, just wanted some tops to wear with my denim shorts. I love this, it looks so good on. And I think again, it was only like £15 or something like that. I just think it's really cute. So guys, that is my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what was your favourite piece, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!